Now, how to build live calculators and simulations with Gemini AI. No code needed for you to achieve this, just your description. Now here you can see the live calculator I just created here. Now check the previous overload here of vCPU/cores and memories. Here you can see this live calculator I created. Now to create your own, what you do now is to open a new chart with Gemini here. And here, before describing it, now first add this interactive visualization or interactive stimulations. And here, let me type it and then explain. And here, this is what I type. Interactive visualization calculators can be used to check people's actual age. And here, this is the new feature just added to Gemini. Some may see it now, some may see it later. So have patience if you didn't see it now. Now here, after typing it, you can see how I describe it. Now send it by clicking this up arrow. Also know that this didn't require Canva, using Canvas here. See? Now here, what you do now here is to select here on the model generation ability here on Flash, select thinking if you want better result like this, and then you can select standard or you can select extended. If what you describe is more complex, you can use extend here. Here, let me use extend. Now here, what you do now is send it here by clicking this up arrow here and then wait for it. Also know that this doesn't eat more usage here. If you check here on your Gemini generating usage here, if you check it, doesn't eat much usage. You can see here it doesn't require much usage. Now here you can see the interactive calculator which I just generated. You can see how I describe it here. You can see the key prompt. The key prompt is interactive visualization. You can also describe it interactive stimulation depending on what you want it to generate or give you result on. Here you can see. You can set anyone and check. You can also ask it to add up into the visualization or stimulation by typing it here. Here I will ask it to change, make it more colorful. You can see how I describe it. This is just to add up things into the visualization, to make it more unique, to change some things if you like. As you can see, it is generating the interactive visualization here, the second interactive visualization. You can see how I generate it. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tips. Now check out the playlist now to know everything on Gemini AI based on tutorials. See you there and have a great day. Peace.